Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a special guest with me today. He is called
Ryan Ben.
This is Ryan Ben 2009. We're going on my videos now. So today he's going to be playing Pet Sim with us, which is cool. Oh, the game doesn't work. Let me just quickly rejoin, guys. Okay, please come here. Ryan would like to say a lot of things. What would you like to say, Ryan?
Thanks for the comments in the other video and the I'm a cousins.
Ryan's really happy about all the video and stuff, so now he's gonna have a little go. See you guys later!
Okay, now it's my turn. Let's replay Pet Sim. Let's trade my friend Nightwolf. Okay. Okay, this guy's really good. He has a Dominus Huge, he's got a Rainbow Chimera, and he's got a Rainbow Spikes, 3 of them, and he's got 1 Hydra. The trade was cancelled. I'm gonna be opening some eggs today.
Hi guys.
So you can get the Dominus Huge in this egg right over here. This is the Dominus Huge. It's very rare to get.
Ryan's a really big fan of this game. He's been playing it non-stop.
Okay, so now this is the rarest. So this is the rarest pet in this egg. I want to try and get it. I've already got the Hydra, and I've got all these pets, unless the pink one.
Also, Ryan, do you want to say something really upset happened to you?
Oh yeah, I've been like not even 1 hour ago. I just made I had
So obviously, you guys didn't know there's a new update. What was it called again?
Dark Matter.
Dark Matter Pet, where you can rainbow turn into dark. He had 10 rainbow spikes. He turned to in dark. Right after the update was finished, it got taken away, and it was really upset because he's gonna. At least he's still got this. I can't see. He really likes this. You want to play?
Okay, I'm gonna try and open the egg.
There's so much people there. Oh my god.
Oh, I can't open the egg.
Yeah, let's just give it time. People are going crazy.
People are going crazy. I can't play in this server. So then I'm just gonna be trading if I can't open
Just give it time, okay?
No.
Where are you headed to?
I'm gonna be trading.
Who's X? X.
I'm just gonna be trading random
X as soft code.
I'm gonna be trading random people and I can give this guy a free spy, gold spike there.
Oh, that's good of you. When I showed the video to Ryan, he was amazed at the views that he got on his video.
What's this over here? Okay, fine, but I'll just tell them it's for free. Okay, I can't. No matters anyway. I'll just delete the pets he gives me. Because I don't really need them.
All this song is so good.
I'm just
such a mess.
Okay,
Now go to your.
Now I'm gonna go to my inventory. These are all the pets that I've got, so I can
make dark matter, like you'll say.
I've made the dark matter spike, but sadly,
That's really mean.
So I'm just gonna. Oh, I didn't get the pets that he gave me. I don't really care anymore.
You got a lot of moves for it. Jeez.
I've got a lot of moon coins, I know.
Now.
I'm just gonna really put my pets on the Dominus Shrine.
Go to stock area.
Dominus Shrine, there we go.
Isn't the chest good?
Actually, I'm not really.
See how much it is?
How much it's on? How much
Okay,
is
that's
it? That's gonna take an hour.
Many chairs. Oh yeah.
Who's quit?
He's got a lot of money.
I wish there was a new land. Guys, comment down below if you want me or Money to make a video about Pet Sim.
And by the way, my name
name
is Ryan Bed 2009. That's why I called.
Go follow him. He's incredible this game.
Not incredible.
We'll say that. I really hope you guys while doing the sweet versus salt popcorn challenge. Whoever wins will get shout outs.
Sweet the best.
Basically, the 5 people.
For me, sweets is better, but I would rather choose salt.
Oh, I love salt. Salt's beautiful.
Without salt, food won't have any flavour, so I like.
Sweet's too good.
Sweet is horrible, Yusuf.
Stop.
Yusuf,
Horrible.
it's Yusuf versus Gamer Team.
I love all popcorn.
It's 2v1. Ryan Bed 2009 v Gaming Team 20. Who's better in Pet Sim?
But they haven't seen me play, but I will play.
Don't worry, my cousin's actually quite bad at this game.
So rude.
Okay, fine. You are quite good. I'll give you some free pairs because you're my cousin.
Fine.
No, please.
And guys, if you want,
You made Yusuf sad.
if you want, guys, you can guys sub. If you sub, I can give you guys
giveaway.
a free a giveaway, but like a free spike. So when you join my game, say to me popcorn, and then I'll give you a free spike.
The popcorn was what?
And say your username. Say your username in the link down below, and then
Yeah, say your username, and then I'll friend you, and then you can.
and then the link down below. So don't remember.
They're just like thinking of my channel. Yes.
I wish I had a channel, but my father would mix it. Sadly.
Well, I'll say that. I'll let you. Have you used some music? Hey, YouTube, haven't you used some music like everybody will use the channel? Yasmin, YouTube, Zaki, QUC, Met. Ryan's been using it, and Ryan's been like, please.
I really like Amani's channel, and just to say, please sub to my cousin's channel and like, if you don't mind.
Yusuf trying to do the hype.
And to have a free spike, you need to
Yusuf
sub.
this video.
You need to sub to the channel and do the Red Justice, that thing.
Okay.
Oh, justice, baby!
Okay, I'm just.
So embarrassing. Yusuf, I'm trying good.
I know to do all you guys.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try and open some eggs by now because I'm sure I think I'll be able to.
Let me help you. You don't know what to do.
I'm going on teleport.
I know.
Wait, move! This is my seat!
I'm sorry. At least I'm letting you.
Okay. So for me, the Dominus Shrine chest gives me a lot of moon coins. Trust me, it gives me like 33 billion.
Annoying us. Let's just leave the game. Who cares?
Let's just leave the game, guys, and I'll rejoin
Go into
it.
a different server.
And like you can see, there's a new update right on the corner. Dark Matters Pet Simulator.
Yeah, look, it says here.
That's what we hate.
Multi-delete for hats.
Yeah, I don't understand anything.
I don't understand anything,
Same.
but who cares anyway? I won't really delete my hats
That's
anyway. Okay,
okay.
I'm just gonna, this
Oh,
is,
have you seen this new thing? This is so cool.
yeah,
I'm not
but
sure about it.
I'm not sure about it because it's a little bit of a rip-off.
Because what if you might get.
Should I tell you why? Because it's 300,
I thought you lost your pets. Wait, you got a friend in the game, who's he?
oh, he's like, cause he's mean, I don't know that guy. 'Cause
Your
he's
friend is
I don't know him. Wow, this is a dude that
I thought Dominus you.
Whoa! I'm gonna see if I can trade him.
Whoa, it's you.
Katis Minos.
Wait,
It's
how
you.
do you do that? What? I didn't know you could name your pets.
Yeah, you can name your pets, that's true, but I don't really care about naming them. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can open an egg. I hope I can, anyway.
Yeah.
Yay, I can open it. So now you're gonna see what I can get. Spike! I knew it.
You guys are going to get millions of spikes, by the way.
Like, even these guys got spikes. Another spike.
We're so
Guys.
lucky with these spikes. It's sad.
And if you want a free spike, by the way, you need to at least subscribe and like And
I put it
yeah.
on the case.
And you need to put on your comments your
Oh, someone said
username.
hey there.
A link down below.
So when you you need to sub and you need to comment down below your name in Roblox.
Yeah.
So I can give you a
Someone
free
said
spike.
hey there. Someone said hey there. Who are you?
Ooh. Wait, have you got even enough?
Who are you?
Okay, oh my god, just delete those pets, delete them.
1,
Oh
2,
my
3,
God,
4, 5,
So bad. Viking's an embarrassment for me.
Dominus.
You took it out!
Dominus noob.
I guys, instead of doing this, I could just give them to you, but
There's an easier
there's
way.
no one in the
Press
game
it.
that I could give them to. Stop it!
What's that?
I've already back off.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I wish if I could give you these pets, but I can't because I have no one really in the game right now to give them to. Just to tell you, if you tell me your username in the comment section below, like this, I can give you a free spike. But you need to at least be subscribed to our channel.
Wait, what do you say?
So yeah,
And I thought you
thank you everyone. Now I'm gonna be opening some more eggs. This guy said I care.
No, it's not. I care. I know.
No, that's IK. I care.
I know.
I see.
I
See?
see I care. Oh my god, right? That's so embarrassing.
Shush. I don't really care. Anyway, at least I'll get one of these pets. The rare one. You see the question marks pets? I want those ones. I really want the Dominus Huge. This is my wish pet. It's like 50 million damage. That's max.
No, that's the rainbow.
Yeah, I know. The rainbow.
The rainbow's 50 million.
But the rainbow's barely impossible to get, so trust me. You would
The
need
hacker.
the...
We saw a hacker.
Today we've seen a hacker. He had
He's
like
gonna do it.
millions. He had millions of Dominus Huges.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Anyway, I'm just gonna see if I could trade anyone.
Hey, make your pets go.
Anyway, let me just open one more and now
Gonna play.
I will go.
Maybe we'll end it in 2 minutes.
Trading. Okay, now I'm gonna see who I can trade. Okay.
Someone already trading. Someone slide your quest.
Whoa, this guy's not bad, but I don't really want any of your things. I'm sorry.
Oh, he's bad.
Sorry, dude.
I did that.
Right, you had like all over the camera.
Oh my god, I think I've got enough spikes. Stop, Yusuf!
I'm just about to make it go.
Stop!
Okay, here is one gold spike, like you can see over here. There. Nice. It's a success for
And
me.
you have two more spikes.
Okay, let's see this Ender Gamer. He's pretty good.
Pretty dark.
He's good, but not as good as me. I think we need to end it by now. I'm really sorry, guys.
Okay then guys, thanks for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see Yusuf playing, then what are you waiting for? Say in the comments. Anyways, thanks for watching guys.
Yusuf's just an embarrassment.
But say bye Ryan.
Bye.
I was really happy that he got to be here. Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. Please don't forget the Stop Plus and first week of
And wait. Make sure, if you want a free spike, make sure that you sub and that you put your username in the comments. And now you'll just get your free spike. Bye. I need to leave now.
Okay, bye guys!
Bye.